Hi friends, Christine with Essentially Styled. I know it's been a hot minute since I've been on, probably more like a hot month, since I've been able to get on here and do some tutorials for you. November has just been crazy and I'm glad it's almost over, to be honest. I have not decorated for Christmas. I've been in and out of town with some family stuff and got in last night and leaving again tonight. So I wanted to come on here today to share with you some of what I think are some of the best stocking stuffers or Christmas gifts that you could get for your girlfriends that are unique. They would work for Secret Santa, stocking stuffers, but for family, coworkers, you name it. I think these will be great gift options for you. And if you stick around to the end, I will show you a neat trick with our hair bands that I will start with sharing. But I'll show you a neat technique to use that so you can hide the band and you won't see that, and use other hair products with it. So I will start off with showing the hairband. This is one of our new designs, and it comes in two colors. They came out with some new designs just last week for time for Black Friday, which is happening right now while I'm videotaping. This is actually Cyber Monday, and there's going to be crazy deals today. So if you're watching this later, which a lot of you are, Black Friday ended on November 30th, or will end on November 30th, but there's great deals all the time. So let me know, and I will post some links down below to help you out and to find where you can get some of these items, even if it's past the Black Friday and the Cyber Monday. So big deals today. But it comes in two different colors, the blue, and first I was going to wear the blue, but then I kind of like the purple with my shirt. And speaking of purple, can you see it? Well, actually that's blue, but there's some purple in there. I've been playing around with our brand new hair mascara, and I tell you, I did not think I would be one that would really like these, but I'm loving them. A lot of fun. I need to work on my technique a little bit. This was my very first time using them, so I think in the future I'd have started with purple and then bleed into the blue, but I like it when it transitions colors. But it goes on just like mascara, so I'll show you what it looks like. And they look shockingly bright, but they go on. See, it looks very bright. Fairly subtle. I mean, you can barely see the purple. I think I'm going to go a little heavier on the purple next time. But they look great, and I've seen some other ladies that actually have skill, and I'm going to need to watch their videos to figure out the best application technique. But I think holding it, the hair, and then just kind of running it through, let it dry before you add new color so it doesn't, although you could blend some, but I don't think you want to mix it in the bottles a lot. But once you dry, you just brush through, and it looks really good. So I put in some purple and some blue today for fun. But we have these four colors to start with for the fun colors, and we still have traditional colors like for hiding those grays, which I have been using because I haven't been to a hairdresser either. So the hair color mascara are there, and those are a lot of fun, and I think a lot of people would enjoy having those in their stocking. So staying along that line, I'm going to talk about the essentials real quick. The new Amplifying Foam, huge difference. If you can Google Lilla Rose Amplifying Foam before and after pictures, and you will see tons of pictures of the difference. And it is kind of crazy. I can really notice a difference when I use this and when I don't. Just takes a little bit, shake it up real well. I love it. It also has some protectant in it for the heat. Let's see here. We've got dry shampoo that I love and can help you stretch out those hair washes a couple days at a time. We have rose water for smoothing. Again, these work for all hair types. I really think especially the thin hair and real fine hair ladies will love that Amplifying Foam. And the dry shampoo will give it body too. Another great one is the hair mask. My husband actually uses this on his beard, and it makes a huge difference. So if we're running low, I make sure he has first dibs on it. I really like that. That's our hair mask to be used in the shower. We have sea salt spray if you want to get some body and some like beachy waves. You can scrunch that in while it's damp. The detangler is a must, especially if you have littles who hate to have you brush their hair. I wish I had had this with my daughter when she was young. She has massive curls and hated to have her hair brushed. I'm even seeing now some ladies are using it in the shower instead of conditioner. So I might be experimenting with that some, but I love this detangler. I use it every wash. And the thermal defense to help protect from heat is great. I just put a little bit of that on before the hair dryer curling iron. Okay, those are a lot of the essentials. Also, the hair towels. These are a must-have for anyone. If you have never tried a hair towel and you're still using the towel on your head that falls down and it's heavy, I once pulled a muscle in my neck really badly once because I sneezed with a hair towel on my head and the weight of it jerked it in such a way. So now I always make sure if I'm going to sneeze, I make sure I'm straight and not sneeze on a corner with the weight on my head. So, but these can fix all that too. So super luxuriously soft, and the white one is going to suck most of that water out of your hair in minutes. And I really do notice a difference. The purple one is a gauze one. It's not as absorbent, but it's great for those who have really curly hair and don't want all that moisture to be sucked out of their hair before it either air dries or they dry it with a diffuser or whatnot. So the purple one, the gauze one, is great for curly hair. This one is great if your hair takes forever to dry. So love these hair towels, and super, super soft. Oh, this is the one, hair towel in the box, the bamboo hair towel. Of course, I think a shower comb is essential for everyone for gently working through your conditioner, your mask in the shower to start at the ends and work your way up. The wide tooth comb allows you to not pull on it so much when it's in that fragile, wet state. I like this one because it doesn't have a ton of grooves that can get kind of gross. You just rinse it really well and it'll stay in the shower fine. Some of them have a lot of tiny grooves and they get kind of gross in the shower. So I love this one. It just hangs very easily. Let's see. The other thing I keep in my shower at all times is a simple swerve to put my hair up while it's conditioning, while I have it in the hair mask. I sleep in this. So this is a go-to must-have product, I think. You can work out in this. You can go out to dinner in this. It's so versatile, and you can catch my other tutorials on that. And that reminds me, if you are giving Lilla Rose to a friend, make sure you pass along my YouTube channel with tons of tutorials so they can figure out different ways they can use the products that they have. And the swerve is one of those essentials. It's not in our essentials line, but I think it's essential because you can do so much with it. So simple swerve works for really thin, thick hair, as long as you have shoulder length hair. If you can put it in a bun at all or a twist, you can use a simple swerve. And we also have them in small sizes and in 4 finishes. This is silver and rose gold. We also have gold and black nickel. So those are the swerves. Okay. We also have sports. We have sold out of a lot of colors, but we still have black, silver, and what was the other one? Black, silver, and I think royal. Royal blue is a new color, bright blue. It's really pretty. But these are waterproof. If you haven't seen my tutorial or demo of the sports, you will want to see that. This is great for your athletes, your swimmers, anybody who normally can't wear metal in their hair or fusses with their hair because it's always sliding in a ponytail. This will not budge. So sports are a great option and fit nicely in a stocking real easily. Let's see. Okay, this is one of our new hair bands. They come in 3 colors right now. I think black, cream, and the gray. And I added one of our newest Flexi of the month for November that I believe is sold out. I still have some. If you really like this, I still have some from the medium sizes down. So let me know if you really like this clip in particular. But you don't have to put a clip on that. And it doesn't go all the way through. I was thinking I could put a little mini one on there, but I'd have to put it through the knit, and I don't really want to do that. But these are great. They're very wide. Lilla Rose branded there with the tag. Will cover quite a bit to keep those ears warm, so you don't have to worry about it sliding off. So those headbands are available in 3 colors as well. And you can always add a flexi to it. Let's see, and we have those in different sizes. This is a smaller one, really pretty. Now this one and the cardinal, which is the West Virginia state bird, so I'm kind of partial to that. I believe those are also sold out online. We still have the U-Pins available, which I also love. But those, if they are out of stock when you go online to look, let me know, because I have some of these. I stocked up on some of those, so I have some of those available. And then let's see what else we have here. Oh, I love these for the ballerinas in your life. Look, I just love those. And can you in a bun, a little ballerina bun? How pretty those would be. So if you've got some ballerinas in your life, I think the U-Pin ballerinas would be great. We also have those in U-Pins or I'm sorry, the Flexies as well. So you can check those out. These are, hold on one second. Sorry about that. Are huge, let's see, comparatively for most Flexies or U-Pin sizes. So these are kind of your standard sizes. These are massive. And I'm thinking for most styles, you would only need one because they're big. And some of the gauge on the wire here just feels a little thicker when you put the bigger emblem on the end. So they hold really well, but this would be great for the topsy tail pony that I do. Any of the ponytail really that I've done before, the wrapped pony, these work great. If you do a wrap pony and put one on each side, even bun, really nice. Those are the new Adora. They go along with, we have the big swerve in that as well. We also have our acrylic U-Pins in all kinds of colors. These are perfect. Again, these are waterproof, can go in the shower, the pool. Perfect for top knots, twists and buns, and really any updo. This is that similar Flexi in like the U-Pins, only in the Flexi. That was a small. We have hair sticks, all kinds of hair sticks. We've got some shorter 4-inch and then the traditional, I think it's 5.5 inch or 5-inch. I think that's what these are. But lots of hair sticks. And those will be, if you're here for Cyber Monday and you're catching this during Cyber Monday, those are going to be $1. Well, some of them. Select items will be, but I know they're going to have some hair sticks for $1. So it's kind of crazy. Our flips, and I only have, well, I've got a couple. This is one of the newer ones. Not the newest. I don't have any. They're on their way to me in the mailbox, so I don't have the newest ones that are so pretty. There's one called Jana that's all natural stones and a bronzy finish for the metal. I can't wait to see it in person. I think it's going to be in my hair a lot. But this is one of the newer ones. So it's got the notches on both sides of the pin, so you can flip it this way or this way to hold less hair. So, and those come in the 3 sizes. If you can, let me see. Nope. Here. So you can see the 3 different sizes, small, medium, and extra, what we call the extra. And this one in particular, if you can see, it's got little snowmen. It looks like snowmen on both sides. So again, these flip this way or this way to hold more hair. And then 3 different sizes. These work well for ladies if you're not exactly sure what their flexi size might be, because you can do such a variety because it fits different ways. So I can ask you a couple questions, we'll get it close, it'll be perfect. These are much easier to size than the regular Flexies, which we have 7 sizes in. But I can ask you enough questions that I think we can really get what they need for that as well. And then we also have, this is a new one. This is the first time we've had the kind of like the leather-like ones in the white. So we have a kitty cat and there's a puppy dog that's coming, we've been told. And then if you have any bookworms in your life, I just love the colors in that. But it's got the little book there, and there are U-Pins to match that one as well. Here's some fun bobbies. Love the dragonflies. And then kind of my favorite for the holiday, I like simple but elegant. These rhinestone bobby pins are great for that wrapped pony, just for a little bit of subtle bling. Is what's not going to compete with your jewelry, but it can add a little bit of flair to your hairdo. So now, if you've made it this far, I'm going to show you a quick trick with the hair bands that I use. And I don't know if I mentioned that you get the elastic that will match the color of your hair, brunette, black, silver, or blonde. So, and those even come in 2 sizes, and then each one's adjustable in and of itself. So really make them unique, the only hair bands that don't roll off my head. So what you can also do because of that band is, and I'm going to take, so you can see how it rides there along under your hair, matches the hair, so it's really not noticeable even if it's seen. But if I want to wear my hair up, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide my finger, see if you can see that, under there and rake out just a little bit of hair. It's not a lot. Okay, I'm just going to pull a little bit out. And then when I go to put my hair up in a twist, like so, let's see if I can get that all, you don't see that hairband. Now, You could probably see a little bit of the hair mascara. So you can kind of play with that too, just have a little bit. And then I'm going to pick probably, let's see, I think I'll take this is I'm trying to think now, I lost her name. I can't remember. But the purple Flexi Flip, I'll get it in a minute. On the biggest size, and then I'm going to slide it under, flex it over, catch hair from both sides, and that is going to hold real well. It's not pulling on my scalp at all. Looks like that might be a little bit crooked. The hair twist, not the clip. So we'll see. But you really don't see that hairband. It's covered up, it blends in well, and so comfortable. And I could pull hair out a little bit if I wanted, which I probably will now. And it's just super simple. So you see the decorative part of the hairband, but not the part you don't want to see. So that's what makes those hairbands really unique. So thanks for watching to the end. I hope you will subscribe if you haven't. Feel free to share this tutorial with others. If they're looking for Christmas ideas, these can be really unique. They're unfamiliar to a lot of people. So I do encourage you to share the tutorials with them. There are tutorials on the website as well. And I will leave some links below so that you can the website has a lot on it. It can be overwhelming, so I'll put some direct links so you can go right to something that you're particularly interested in, whether it's hairbands or the flips or swerves or whatnot. So I will post those below, and thank you again. I hope you have a great December, and I hope to be on again very soon. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.